As far as we are concerned right now, we have not seen any acts of the Vice President that we should investigate. Well, we do not find anything that is in violation of one, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, of any of the offenses in the revised penal code that is in relation to the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Ang pahayag ni Martires kasunod ng sinabi ni Justice Undersecretary Jess Andres na may kapangyarihan din ang ombudsman na disiplinahin at imbestigahan si VP Sara. Sabi ni Martires kung ipipilit raw ni Andres na mag-imbestiga na rin ang ombudsman,
I would advise Yosek Andres to shut up, to stop talking about the case, because one of the powers of the ombudsman is to take over the investigation of a case of any government investigative agency at any stage of the proceedings.
pinaalala ni Martires kay Andres ang nakasaad sa Section 15 ng Republic Act 6770 o Ombudsman Act of 1989 na may kapangyarihan ng ombudsman na imbestigahan at kasuhan ang kahit sinong public officer, empleyado, tanggapan o ahensya at maaari nitong i-take over ang investigasyon ng anumang ahensya ng gobyerno.
Kasi halimbawa ngayon, she's being investigated for ATA, anti-terror law, and grave threats.
Yeah.
Pag ganun pong nature ng investigation, can you take over?
If we find that the grave threats is committed in relation to office, are these grave threats done in relation to the performance of her duties as Vice President? If not, that would be personal. And we have no jurisdiction over these things.
Hinihingan namin ang pahayag tungkol dito ang Department of Justice.